When we simplify expressions, what we're focusing on doing is trying to combine like terms. So we're going to combine like terms. And what do I mean by like terms? So we see some terms with x's, we see some just numbers, which are called constants, and we see a y over there to the far right. So that 3 and that negative 4x, those are like terms. And you might be thinking, why is that negative 4x? It looks like a minus positive 4x. Well, we're trying to get in the habit of looking at it this way, where subtracting a positive is the same as adding a negative. And now it's much easier to figure out what 3x plus negative 4x is. So you've got 3x's, you take away 4x's, how many x's do you have left? You have negative 1x. And I went ahead and modified the signs. They are the same. They have the same meaning as before, but I made that a negative 5 and made that a negative 9, and now we know we're going to add them. So those are like terms as well. I color-coded them to make them easier to see. And now I'm going to combine them. And we get negative 14 when we combine negative 5 and negative 9. Now, what can we combine with the positive y? Absolutely nothing. There's nothing to combine with it. So we're just going to write it down below. And we're almost finished. But now we want to write the variables in order of the way they ascend in the alphabet, or consecutive. So we're going to put x. X comes before y in the alphabet, in other words. And we write the constant, the negative 14, last. And bear in mind that negative 1x and negative x are the same. It's just mathematicians don't normally write that 1. So now we have the answer. We just move the negative 14 over here. We move the y over here. It has the same meaning. These two have the same meaning. It's just this is the proper way of writing it. Now we have another one, which I'm going to do very quickly. I'm going to color code it to make it easier to see. Now we easily know what the like terms are. So I'm going to combine 6x and negative 2x, and I'm going to combine negative 4p with positive 2p. The 8 I can't combine with anything else. And there's a solution. We just simplified that expression.